I am floored, and like many of you know how I might be feeling right now, I'm just shocked and surprised and mostly grateful for this opportunity to join so many great educators and join this network. And also, I just love our school. And I came to our school, I came to Hawaii when I was 22, and I've taught and learned and grew at this school community for about 10 years. I'm 32 now. And through that time, I've learned that we cannot operate as a school without teachers, our office staff, our custodians, our cafeteria staff, our teachers, our educational assistants, our substitute teachers. It really takes every single person to make sure all of you students are here learning and having fun. So really, I hope this recognition is for our entire school, and I'm really, really grateful to be here learning and growing with you all. So thank you so much.